Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, August 13th, 2023. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. Nothing has really changed, unfortunately. All the boundaries that have been put in place, nothing has been broken to the upside or the downside. Some of the momentum indicators are suggesting that we should get a bounce, but we've been so extremely overbought really since like the beginning of May into the end of July, that they could get ignored, and it would not surprise me. If you're going to be if the indicators are going to be wrong, they'd be wrong on expecting a bounce. And really the main reason is we have buy signals, but I've been mentioning that single exit, in the movie theater that every bull is going to try to get out of, and it's still there. I mean, they're holding in, they're trying to hold things up, but once things start to crack, and you will know they're cracking once we start taking out this support level. So you can see the top part of this zone right here at that 4460. This is where buyers are stepping in. We broke it. We made it almost down to the 4440. I think we made it down to 4443, but this was the next downside target. So this move made sense, and now we're seeing sellers stepping in and using the 50-day moving average on just a 15-minute chart to sell. But you can see here, this is what I'm saying, we have buy signals. This is not a strong move to the downside right now. And it's really just that we would be see that we wouldn't really see these divergences if it was really a strong move. Now, even when we take a look at the 60-minute chart, again, it's the same thing. We have these buy signals here. So, would I be upset if we went straight down? Absolutely not. But the way that what the charts are telling us is that this is important support right here, and we have buy signals. So the odds of us coming up and testing anywhere, from the 4490 all the way up to the 4521, you have to leave this door open. And again, if we get above here, then we start looking at this gap getting closed. If the bears can push through this 44, say 40 level, again, the next move, we should come straight down to right around that 4391, and possibly down to the 4385. So these are the next downside targets. Once this support gets taken out, it's going to be anywhere from the 4392 all the way down to the 4322. So this is really the next support zone once these levels get taken out. So that's really about it. The Bears, I mean, the Bulls are going to have to get it above really, let's say Friday's highs, and that's going to be the 4472. If they do that, then you can anticipate we're going to have a move up to the 4495, possibly up to the 4500. On the downside, again, this, the 4440 is going to be the important area. If that gets taken out, most likely we're still going to have buy signals and support. We'll see a move come somewhere down into the 4394. So let's not try to overthink things. Go into this week with it is short term. Let's just say a bullish bias, meaning that we're anticipating a bounce. Intermediate term still down. Intermediate term is always going to overcome the short term, but it still may not happen right away, and we would see, you'd be shorting a move, and we're all the way up here. So I wouldn't be really putting a whole lot of new money to work on the short side here. I'd wait for the bounce and really kind of wait for somewhere up into these levels to short. So with that, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.